The device you see before you today is the Passive Portal, and you're going to see these everywhere very soon. We're here today to celebrate the donation of the Passive Portal, a zero-emissions weapons scanner, to the Chanticleer Athletic Foundation to benefit the CCU Police Department. Now, what is a Passive Portal? It's simple. Traditional metal detectors or active portals mean they emit harmful radiation that may cause damage to your body. The Passive Portal here today uses zero emissions technology, and simply put, that means there is no potential risk for cancer and other inherent health risks associated with radiation in active scanners. This Passive Portal sensors are free of X-rays, radiation, and other emissions, and will alert CCU police if any firearms, knives, or other weapons are present during this screening process. The technology you see here today will give us all peace of mind with safer schools, safer places of worship, safer airports and travel, and public buildings across the country one day. And the very first Passive Portal was installed right here at Coastal Carolina University.
I want you to know that I have a passion for this product, for this service. We have an opportunity to provide safe environments for our children and our grandkids. This scanner is passive technology, it's not active. It doesn't have microwaves or X-rays like you get at the airport. And I appreciate the partnership that we have with Coastal Carolina University. I love this partnership. I'm so appreciative of the police force that's here, and I see the passion in them. I love that opportunity, and I love this opportunity. I'm proud to be able to bring peace of mind, not only to the children, but to their parents. Thank you.
My name is Bobby Peller, and I'm the Major of Operations for CCU Department of Public Safety. We just want to thank DTI and John Silver with Cumulus Media for bringing this technology to us. This is something that, you know, when we look at keeping the campus safe, which is our main priority, new and innovative technology that's not only going to keep the campus safe, but also keep people healthy while doing that, is something that we look forward to initiating in many events around campus. With the ability to run people through this Passive Portal scanner without worrying about the long-term effects, I think we're a step ahead of the game and really appreciate this type of technology.
I'll conclude this event with this statement. The Passive Portal will transform security protocols for educational, institutional, public, and government facilities in the USA. And we're so glad that it found a home here at Coastal Carolina University.